when entrepreneurs set out to do things, it's a good intention behind what we set out to do. When moving along your journey, weigh both ends of the spectrum. More so because it's giving you the opportunity to see the entire picture and not necessarily moving in a limited perspective. Russell Brunson is the host of Marketing Secrets in Your Car. As I was listening to him, he said on this episode about worst case scenario, and I never took it into consideration of how people have a tendency to not know, they know what they want or think they know what they want, and that's like best case scenario, right? If you get to a point where you know exactly what it is and you can pinpoint the steps of how you're gonna get there, that is awesome and amazing. But on your journey, you might not be calculating all the things that could be obstacles and challenges that are considered to be like worst case scenario. And you tend to get stuck, and when you get stuck at a point where you'll be thinking to yourself, the negative thoughts start flowing in, and it's a mindset thing, right? So you don't want it to be to a point where you get stagnant on your journey, but it would take you to do something along the lines of saying, I know what I don't want, which is worst case scenario, and I know how I'm gonna get to that worst case scenario, but I do know what I do want, and I do know what it's gonna take to get me there on best case scenario. When moving along your journey, and this is for me included, I have to weigh both ends of the spectrum. More so because it's giving you the opportunity to see the entire picture and not necessarily moving in a limited perspective, which is where a lot of people, they set out to do things, entrepreneurs to be specific, and this is just from my experience. When entrepreneurs set out to do things, it's a good intention behind what we set out to do. Yet it may not be our purpose, right? It may not be something that is going to lead us to people we're going to really love working in our businesses with. It may not be the thing that is really giving us the passion that we want to do. We just thinking of something, oh, I could do this because I don't like this. So now you just kind of bandaging the problem and not getting to the deeper rooted issue. And I feel like a lot of times people don't really know that when you have a ability to get to where you really want, it's all lying in the bigger picture, the bigger view. That was my insight for today. Leave your comments below. Until next time, I'm Erica.